All right, fluent readers, we are going to talk about the long O and long U today. The long O sound can be spelled in different ways. O consonant E, O-A, O-W, and the letter O, usually when it comes at the end of a syllable. The long U sound can be spelled in different ways. U consonant E, U-E together, E-W, and the letter U, usually when it comes at the end of a syllable. We'll talk about the end of the syllable part again. So if you take a look at the long O over here, we have the spelling O consonant E. An example of that is joke and lonely. Then we have foam and toaster. That's OA. Foam, toaster. And OW, we have show and below. And then we just have the O spelling, most and over. This is the part where I'm talking about usually when it comes at the end of a syllable, because over, two syllables, over. Over here we have the U consonant E, mule, confuse. UE over here we have fuel, rescue, EW, few and fewer. And then the U we have music. Same thing. This is two syllables, music. That is why this is a long U, because it's at the end of the syllable. All right, I'm going to have you practice reading these words. Go ahead and whisper read them out loud. I'll point to them and then I'll read them so that to see if you have it correct. If you need more time, pause the video to keep practicing reading these words. Okay, this word is drove, pony, float, confuse, argue, and humor. All right, at this time, you need your My Word Study book. Go ahead and get that. You are going to flip open to the coolest monkeys on earth. That is the page that you need to open up to. All right, you are going to read this article in your word study book. And as you are reading it, I want you to first read it and then go through and circle any word that you hear the O like oak leaf or U like uniform. So this first, most monkeys live in tropical climates. But did you know that some monkeys also live in cold places? Well, I see the word most makes the O like oak leaf, most. Keep reading and circle words that have the long O or the long U. Okay, now I am going to draw your attention to this word. This word is adapt. What does this word mean? I see a clue in the sentence that follows. They grow a thick, furry winter coat to keep warm. That clue tells me what snow monkeys do in order to live in a cold place. So adapt means to change or adjust for a certain purpose or condition. That makes sense in the sentence. All right, well, I have highlighted two more words in green. One of the words is unique. It says these unique monkeys have reddish pink faces and grayish brown fur. What does that word unique mean? And what clues help you figure out what that word is? Or how about the word consume? They consume a variety of foods to keep from being hungry. What clue helps you tell you what consume means? Figure out the answer to both of those words. When I say figure out the answer to both those words, I mean definition. What do those words mean?